Hello guys, and in today's video we are in BeamNG.drive, and our goal is to evade the police and make it to over on the island across the bridge and launch ourselves off into the sea. And every time we manage to do that, the car will get worse. Can we make it to the end? Guess you have to stick around and find out. Let's get right into it. Fire. Moving on to the next car is the new car added to BeamNG in the, I think the 0.39 update. I'll tell you what's coming later in the video. You gotta be prepared for it. In the next round. Okay, so for round 3 we got a Ruffle Moonhawk custom version. Is that good? Says we're around the front corner. Round number 4, we got one of the Vivis cars. Oh no. Well, first failure so far did not get a good hit on them, and that destroyed the left front.
Goodbye!
Yeah. I guess. Making sure that the police are on us. But once again, it's almost reaching the bridge where this blockage up here is a little annoying because that car is just chilling. Around a few corners and taking a pretty big jump this round, and we'll be in the one of the Grand Marshals acting as a police car. Oh no, that's not good. I think we're screwed. The car doesn't turn right, and so anyway, the car does not turn right, and yeah, that left front is wobbly. These are definitely getting juicier and slower car. Wow. This thing is sliding. It seems to have stopped working, but I think we'll be able to make it around the final corners and complete take another pretty hefty jump into one of the Hirochi race cars. Hard to handle as well. Let's get on the bridge. That's not good. Oh. It's useless. That back right tire is destroyed. It looks like we'll do it this time. Or we serious? Oh, I had to peel out. That dude coming off.
Oh, yes.
Oh, no. Trying to fight it. It's useless. Please got us this time. Another reset for this car. Where's the... And it shows that was too close. I'll just follow this police car through and ask them there about the inside. Now behind me. Wow. That was close. We will finish this round. Taking a pretty big jump here, and we're in one of the little bugs. So, let's pray for this one because it's not gonna be fun. Oh, that's a close one. I think he just cleared the path for us. Thank you, sir. This thing, yikes, it's barely making it up this hill. Break. Might be good. Can I manage maintaining it on the bridge? Might be okay. Not looking good. Oh, he just cleared the path for us. He's gonna try to he will. Oh, loosen the ramp here. He's just gonna run into me. We're just gonna run him into.
I believe I can fly.
Way that would work. Oh. I don't like that. Got this car in front of the entrance, the final corners. But we'll make it past him. And on the first try, I think, make it in the bug, and we'll enter the final round of the challenge. As you probably guessed, the final round is in everybody's favorite car, the Pigeon. The goal is to not tip over in these fast corners. It has about the same speed. It's actually just a little bit slower than the last car we drove. But as you know, it has only one wheel in the front, so we're hoping not to tip over like that. We might be good. I think I'm gonna continue with this car. Oh! Not the driver. I might be cooked, but oh gosh. Golly, that worked. Just, dude, this thing just doesn't turn. Oh, failed route. Just let them do that, and they have a block right on the front, so we're just gonna take side. I swear AI is just trying to take me out. We'll cross back over onto the regular side and hope that there isn't a police car. See, that was a smart decision. There's a police car on the other side. This is gonna be the hard part here. Just making it past this guy. Take him out. Oh my. IQ of a infant. And the end is in sight. We just got to make it there. As we enter the final few corners of this challenge in what might be the worst car in the game, we will make the final turn and finish the challenge. And if you guys have any more suggestions for worst cars, or if you want to see this done again, put it in the comments below. And as always, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.